I said it was science, bro.
Okay, well, no time.
It was science? Science, motherfucker. Welcome back to another vlog and another spot in an undisclosed location. Chris, can you tell me where we are?
We're at the grid.
That's all he could say. We're at the grid. All right. Wow, that's really fucking bright. That's really bright. I don't have that on auto ISO. So we're at the grid. Chris is riding his board. Why do I keep getting bright? It's bright. I'm going to do some exploratory packs before anybody comes here, because this is a new location. There is a car here, but maybe they left it over the weekend, so hopefully nobody's inside. Because then we're gonna get kicked out really quick, and then this was a long ride for nothing. So, all right, see you in a little bit. All right, so today ended up being a way more expensive day than I ever anticipated. I'm on my way home now, but we had to drive about an hour and 40 minutes to get to this spot. I brought 12 packs with me, and then I ended up charging 4 packs while I was there. And I think I have like 1 that's still left after flying, well, we'll call it 16 packs today. And I'll tell you that a good vast majority of my time I spent fixing and repairing shit because I kept breaking things. This was a new spot and I tried to explore it the best I can, and I failed at that because I don't know, kept having some mishaps. I kept having video breakup issues. Had a problem where the Caddx Vista power lead came off the flight controller and had a video blackout. Sort of sucks, but at the end of the day, I broke a GoPro Hero 8. I broke 4 motors, an antenna, and I think that's it. A lot of props. I went through a lot of props. So shout out to Gem Fan for sending me a bunch of F3 and F4 props, because I used a shit ton of them today. So thank you for the props. They went a long way. But yeah, I'll get a new GoPro, some motors on the way. I'm glad I'm flying the Zings because they're like 20 bucks. They're definitely a little more affordable. And I kept breaking them in the most peculiar way. I was slamming upside down, and I was slamming the bell all the way down on the base of the motor. It was weird way to break a motor. But all right, I'm rambling. I'll see you in the next video. Stay original.
volts. 21.5 volts.
Oh God, it's still recording. I guess that was good.